To make drumstick vegetable, initially drumsticks are taken, cut and peeled, and then these drumsticks are washed with water. Then onion, tomato, coriander, garlic are cut into pieces and soaked moong dal is taken to make drumstick vegetable. After that, some oil is taken in a pan, then in a hot oil mustard is added, then cumin is added. After that, some turmeric powder is added, and then all things are heated, still all things get reddish. Then pieces of garlic are added in oil to season vegetable. Then curry leaves are added in a pan. Then onion is added in a pan. After adding onion, everything in a pan is mixed well with spatula, still all things get reddish. After this, moong dal is taken, soaked moong dal is taken, and it is put in a pan. Again everything is mixed. Then after some time, tomato is added in vegetable, and again everything is mixed well. After doing this, drumsticks are added in a pan, and again all things are mixed. Then after some time, pungent of onion and garlic is added in a pan according to the taste. Then salt is added according to the taste. Then some asafoetida is added, and again everything is fried very well. Then some chili powder is added. After that, water is added in a pan to cook drumsticks. Everything is boiled well. To cook vegetable, vegetable is ready, then coriander is added. Thank you for watching this video.